I'm TJ with American Renovation. In this segment, I'm going to show you the trade secret on how to avoid smudging when caulking. First item you need is a spray bottle. Go ahead and fill it up with water. Once you get the water in there, add a couple drops of soap. Once you got the soap in there, give it a shake. That's all set for this for now. What you need is a caulking gun. Have it loaded. We're ready to go with that. Last item you need is a rag. This is going to be for the cleanup purposes. I'm going to take the caulking gun and I'm going to apply a bead of caulking to the wall in the base molding. Let's take a look. So I want to apply, start the gun off, and I'm going to apply all the way down the wall and get to the corner. And I'm going to stop and I'm going to release the pressure from this caulking gun. I'm going to go ahead and take the spray bottle and apply the spray right down the wall. I'm going to take my finger, I'm going to run my finger where that bead of caulking was just applied. See how it is on my finger? I'm going to go ahead and just wipe it right off, and it comes off really well and easy. I'll run my finger back the other way. Same thing, came off pretty smooth, and that helps clean up and keep everything smooth. Take a look at the wall. There's no over streaking anywhere, fairly smooth, and that's what you want. This is ready for paint. Thanks for tuning in. This wraps up our first segment on do-it-yourself tips. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy renovation.